Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Beep application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that, you should just look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see the more option. Press on it and in this page you should select the last option, which is settings, and in the new page once again you should select the last option, which is help. And here you can just select the second option, which is contact us. And at first you have to select what is your message is a topic, like whatever it is, a suggestion or a complaint. You can just select it and write down your message here. Now depending of course what you have selected, if it is a complaint you can just write down there your problem. If it is a suggestion, you can just write down there your idea, basically how to improve the app. And after everything is done, you should just press send at the bottom of your screen and your message will be sent to the customer service. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.